Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to discuss the second type of the equation reducible to a quadratic form. In our previous lecture we already discussed the first type of the equation reducible to a quadratic form. The second type is apx plus b over px is equal to c. We will solve the question number 6 by using this type. Let's have a start. Let y is equal to 2x square plus 1. So we will place the y here. The equation is y plus 3 over y. We can also write it as y over 1 here, 4 over 1. We'll take the LCM here. Y square plus 3 is equal to 4 over 1. We use the cross multiplication method. Y square plus 3 is equal to 4y. We can write it as y square plus 3 minus 4y is equal to 0. Here y square minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now it is in the standard quadratic form. Here we will use the factorization method to solve this equation. Here y square minus 3y minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Here y is equal to minus 3 minus 1. Here y minus 3 is equal to 0. Here y minus 1 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Now replacing y by 2x square plus 1. So here 2x square plus 1 is equal to 1 and 2x square plus 1 is equal to 3. Here 2x square is equal to 1 minus 1. Here 2x square is equal to 3 minus 1. 2x square is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0. Here 2x square is equal to 2 and x square is equal to 1. So we'll taking square root. Here also taking the square root x. 2 is equal to 0 under root 0. It means x is equal to 0. And here it will take, we will take the square root. So plus minus under root 1 square. Okay. So this will become x is equal to plus minus 1. So the solution set is 0, 1, minus 1 is the solution set of this equation. Now we'll move towards question number 7. Question number 7, let y is equal to x over x minus 3, then 1 over y is equal to x minus 3 over x. Okay, so we'll replace the y by this x over x minus 3. So we'll replace y plus 4 into 1 over y is equal to 4. This y plus 4 over y, it can also be written as 4 over 1. So we'll take LCM. Here y square plus 4 is equal to 4 over 1. So this one is, we use cross multiplication method. Y square plus 4 is equal to 4y. This y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we'll use here, now it is in the standard form, standard quadratic form. So we will use factorization method. 2y minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. We'll take the common here, y minus 2 common here, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here is y minus 2 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. We can also write it as y minus 2 square is equal to 0. If we take the square root on both sides, so square root, if we take the square root, y minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. 0 under root of 0, you can say it is also 0. So y minus 2 is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So we will replacing y by x over x minus 3. So here x over x minus 3 is equal to, you can say that here 2 can also be written as 2 over x. Use cross multiplication method. Here x is equal to 2x minus 6. Okay, so you can say that 2x minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here x plus 6 is equal to 0. 2x minus x minus 6, sorry, here not plus, it's minus. Here minus 6 is equal to 0, minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. So the 6 is the solution set of this equation. Now we'll move towards question number 8 with the same second type of the equation. So here 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 plus 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1 is equal to 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13 over 6. Let y is equal to 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 and 1 over y is equal to 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1. So we replace y, instead of here this equation will becomes y plus 1 over y is equal to 13 over 6. You can say here we'll take the LCM. Here y square plus 1 is equal to 13 over 6. We use cross multiplication method. Here 6y square plus 6 is equal to 13y. So 6y square minus 13y plus 6 is equal to 0. So here 6y square minus 9y 4y plus 6, this one is the standard quadratic form. So here we will use the factorization method to solve this, as we already discussed in detail about the factorization. So here 3y 2y minus 3 minus 2, here it will be y 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 3y minus 2 and 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. So here 3y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2y minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. So here y is 2 over 3 and here y is equal to 3 over 2. Okay, so now replacing y by 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1. So here 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to 2 over 3 and 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to 3 over 2. Okay, use cross multiplication. Here 12x plus 3 is equal to 8x minus 2. Here 8x plus 2 is equal to 12x minus 3. Here 12x plus 3 minus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here 12x minus 3 minus 8x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here it will be 4x plus 5 is equal to 0 and here 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here 4x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 over 4 and this one 4x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 over 4. Okay, so this one minus 5 over 4 and 5 over 4. This one is the solution set of the equation. You can also write it as plus minus 5 over 4. We can also write it as plus minus 5 over 4. Now we'll move towards question number 9 by using the second type of the equation reducible to quadratic form. Here let y is equal to x minus a over x plus a, then 1 over y is equal to x plus a over x minus a. So we'll put y here in this equation. So y minus 1 over y is equal to 7 over 12. You can say by using LCM, y square minus 1 is equal to 7 over 12. We use cross multiplication method. Here 12y square minus 12 is equal to 7y. So here 12y square minus 7y minus 12 is equal to 0. So here we will, this one is the standard quadratic form. So we will use the factorization method to solve this equation. 12y square minus 16y plus 9y minus 12 is equal to 0. You already aware about the factorization method. So here we will use the factorization method to solve this quadratic form. Here, so here 4y 3y minus 4 plus 3, here 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So 4y plus 3 into 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So here 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So here y is equal to minus 3 over 4 and here y is equal to 4 over 3, minus 3 over 4 and 4 over 3. Now replacing y by x minus a over x plus a. So here x minus a over x plus a is equal to minus 3 over 4, okay, and here x minus a over x plus a is equal to 4 over 3, okay. So we use cross multiplication method. Here 4x minus 4a is equal to minus 3x minus 3a. Here 3x minus 3a is equal to 4x plus 4a. Same cross multiplication. Here 4x plus 3x, no, so it is better that we will 4x minus 4a plus 3x plus 3a is equal to 0. Here here 4x plus 4a minus 3x plus 3a is equal to 0. So 4x plus 3x is here 7x minus a is equal to 0. 4a minus 3a, so minus is here minus. So 4x minus 3x is x plus 7a is equal to 0. 7x is equal to a, x is equal to a over 7, and here x is equal to minus 7a, and x here it so this one is already minus 7a, no need for here this one a over 7 and minus 7a. This a over 7a and minus 7a is the solution set. Okay. Next lecture we will discuss the third type of the equation reducible to a quadratic form. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.